Meaning of excretory.
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 Excretory. The term excretory refers to the process by which waste products are eliminated from an organism's body. This is accomplished through various organs and systems, such as the kidneys, liver, and intestines, which filter and remove toxins and other waste materials. The result of the excretory process is the elimination of these waste products, which can include urine, feces, sweat, and other bodily fluids. Failure of the excretory system to function properly can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, which can be harmful and even life-threatening.